Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Kabuli Pulao, as you guessed it, comes from Kabul. It's got nice chunky pieces of mutton and a beautiful, delicately flavored pulao. So let's get started cooking this recipe. The first step of cooking this pulao is to cook the mutton. So for that, I've got 3.5 cups of water, which I'm going to pour into a pressure cooker. Add about a teaspoon of salt. And the star of the dish, 1 kilo of mutton. I'm just going to add that to the pressure cooker. The speciality of this pulao is that you will taste all the spices without seeing them. So the trick I'm going to use is cook it yakni style. For that, I've got a muslin cloth here and I'm going to add all the whole spices to this. 4 Kashmiri Red chillies, about 4 cinnamon sticks, 7 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of jeera seeds, 2 teaspoons of black peppercorn, 5 big cardamom pods and 5 green cardamom, and about 7 cloves, a nice fat 2-inch piece of ginger. Now I'm just going to tie all of this up really tightly in this muslin cloth. Nice and tight and snug, and it goes right into the pressure cooker. And now cook the mutton on a high flame for about 8 to 10 whistles. It's 1 kilo of mutton, so it's going to take a little bit of time. I've cooked the mutton for 10 whistles, turned off the flame, and while this is cooling down, I'm going to start browning the onions. So here in this pan, I'm going to pour in about 2 tablespoons of just regular oil. Oil has heated up. I'm going to add 2 onions that have been sliced up finely. The onions are caramelizing on a low flame and the steam has released from the pressure cooker. Whoa, it smells amazing. And we're going to use the stock, the water in which the mutton has cooked, to flavor and cook the pulao. But first, I'm just going to pull out this lovely yakni or bouquet gani and separate the pieces of mutton. The onions are slightly caramelized, and now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 teaspoons of Garam Masala, and add the mutton into the pan now. Give everything a really good stir and mix. I've strained the stock from the pressure cooker and also shifted the pan to this flame. Now I'm going to add 1 carrot that has been cut up into these matchsticks. Now that the carrots have fried up slightly, I'm going to add the rice. I'm using 1 cup of basmati rice that was soaked in water for about half an hour and has of course been strained off the water. Just add that. Very gently stir the rice grains into this mixture. And a 1/4 cup of black raisins that had been soaking in water. I've of course strained the water. Sprinkle those on top. Now to this, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of the mutton stock and see if I need to add more later. And a little bit of salt. Now cover this and let it cook on a low flame till the rice is absolutely done. It's been about 10 minutes and I'm just going to check on the pulao. Oh wow, that's so fragrant. The rice is absolutely cooked. So I'm just going to turn off the flame and with a fork, just gently release the steam. Just let the steam release slightly before you plate up this pulao, otherwise the rice grains could break up at this point. Now we're ready to serve up our Kabuli Mutton Pulao. One final thing is going to be a slight garnishing of some flaked almonds. Our Kabuli Mutton Pulao is absolutely ready to eat now. It's a really beautiful recipe that I hope you try really soon. And when you do, leave a comment and subscribe to get curried for loads more.